Hey, boys, look.
The film was shot on
Dave and I are
location in
leaving,
the
so
Ohio
I'm promoting
State
you from
Capitol
security to
University,
sales.
Ohio.
You get to keep half of whatever you sell.
Provided the perfect
Wait, Pop.
backdrop for
All the
Shawshank.
good stuff is gone, man.
Prisons imposing
I know.
stone walls,
That's why you're getting half.
Ah, Malcolm! Congratulations, brother!
Yeah, for what?
Well, this is your first promotion.
That's very funny. You know, we should just throw all this crap away, man. Nobody gonna buy any of it.
Here's $6. I just stole a broken cell phone.
What? Wait, hey, how'd you do that?
I was just pretending to talk to Batman on it. Some lady said it was cute and bought it.
Wait. Just because you were cute?
I get that a lot.
What am I going to do with a 30-year-old fax machine?
The most obvious theme of
And is that beef jerky jammed in it?
Oh, yeah! Oh, well, I was 6 years old and I tried to fax it to my brother at camp.